Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today we're tackling a product that promises to give your hair the love and care it deserves. If you're struggling with dry, brittle hair, or have noticed that your strands lack that healthy shine, you might want to stick around. We're diving into It's a 10 Haircare Miracle Deep Conditioner Plus Keratin, the treatment designed to restore the vital keratin in your hair, improve its texture, and protect it from the elements. Now, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an honest, in-depth beauty review. We're all about keeping it real here on Beautyistic, so let's get into it. This deep conditioner promises to reverse the damage done to your hair and restore its keratin levels, something we all need from time to time. It's packed with keratin amino acids and hydrolyzed keratin, two ingredients that directly address the hair's structure. If you've ever dealt with the aftermath of heat styling or environmental damage, you're already familiar with how brittle and lackluster hair can feel. That's where this product comes in. Formulated to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, this conditioner works on a structural level to seal the cuticle and give your hair that smooth, glossy finish. Plus, it locks in moisture, shields against humidity, and helps protect your hair from future damage. Let's not forget the addition of sweet almond oil and Chinese tea leaf, both known for their nourishing and antioxidant-rich properties. Together, these ingredients help boost shine and maintain healthy-looking hair. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and I must say, the experience has been quite a treat for my hair. The texture of the conditioner is rich and creamy, and it applies smoothly without feeling too heavy. After massaging it into my hair, I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, just enough time to really work its magic. As I rinsed, my hair immediately felt softer, and I noticed a reduction in frizz, which is always a win in my book. In terms of real-world use, it didn't disappoint. It's easy to incorporate into my routine, whether I'm washing my hair in the morning or at night. The best part? It didn't leave my hair feeling weighed down or greasy, which can sometimes be an issue with deep conditioners. Now, let's break it down. Pros: deeply moisturizing and enriching, leaving hair soft and shiny. The formula is gentle enough for regular use without causing buildup. Provides a protective barrier against environmental stressors and heat. The added keratin works wonders for strengthening the hair and reducing breakage. Great for smoothing and detangling. Cons: it's on the pricier side for a deep conditioner, so it might not be ideal for everyone's budget. While it does restore smoothness and shine, if your hair is severely damaged, it may need a combination of treatments to see dramatic improvement. So, is it worth the splurge? The question of value comes down to your hair's needs. If your hair is in need of serious restoration, or if you're looking to prevent further damage from heat or the environment, this product definitely provides solid value. It's especially beneficial for those with dry or chemically treated hair, as it brings back the moisture and smoothness we crave. Compared to other high-end deep conditioners, It's a 10 stands out because of the addition of keratin and the way it focuses on both the prevention and treatment of damage. Yes, there are alternatives out there, but the added benefits of keratin are hard to find in similar formulations at this price point. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is practical and straightforward. A simple tube that's easy to handle in the shower. There's no waste, and the product dispenses cleanly without any mess. As for longevity, a little goes a long way, so while it's a bit of an investment, it should last you several uses if you're using it weekly. Now, I know we all have different experiences with customer service, but from my research and user feedback, It's a 10 has a reputation for providing great customer support. So if you ever have an issue or a question, you're likely to get the help you need. If this product is a bit too expensive for you, there are a few alternatives to consider, like the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask or OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Deep Conditioner. These are budget-friendly options that also deliver impressive results in terms of hydration and smoothing. So, what's the final verdict? It's a 10 Haircare Miracle Deep Conditioner. Plus, keratin is a solid choice for anyone looking to restore the health of their hair. If you have dry, damaged hair, or simply want to maintain its smoothness and shine, this product gets the job done. It's a worthwhile investment if you're committed to protecting your strands from further damage while boosting overall hair health. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the comments or description box for the link if you want to grab your own hand-me-down. It's a 10 miracle treatment. Have you used this deep conditioner or another product from the It's a 10 range? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.